Hey, what's up everyone? It's Altered Tech back again with the new video recording with the OnePlus 9 Pro. We gotta talk about the Black Friday deals. So this is day number 2. We had the OnePlus Buds Z for $10.99 or $9.99 with a free mystery gift. So what I ordered a few days ago was the OnePlus Buds Pro, and you got a free backpack and you got a free mystery gift. I have no idea what the mystery gift is, but let's go ahead and just check it out. So this is all $99.99 on OnePlus.com. Holy snap. Here we go. Let me just get this paperwork out the way so you guys don't see. And here we have the OnePlus Buds Pro Matte Black. I was going to get the Beats Pro. I believe they were on sale for like 99 bucks on Costco. But for this, you're getting this and a backpack and a mystery gift. It's not a phone. I think I know what it is. I think it's the wireless charger. So you get max 50 watts of wireless warp charge. This is awesome. You also have a silent nighttime mode and a turbine air cooling. I mean, it's wintertime right now in New Jersey, so it's pretty cold. So this is something I really wanted. I felt like everyone who had a OnePlus 9 Pro should have got this. I think it's pretty useful. Instead of just having to plug it into the USB-C cable all the time. And this backpack as well. This is... Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. Okay, so with their backpacks, usually it comes with this extra bag as well. I use this as a laundry bag. It's great for like when you're going out, traveling, and you don't have much clothes. And check this guy out. Now this retails for like about 70 or 80 bucks on OnePlus.com, and I'm a big fan of their backpacks. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. The OnePlus backpack. So this kind of reminds me of a like MKBHD with the white, the black, and the red. I don't think he was a part of the design on this, but this is the first thing that comes into mind. And as for the bag, I could probably do a full review on this if you guys are interested. But Black Friday, guys. So here's the thing: if you guys go on OnePlus.com, they do have a raffle in which you play the lottery machine, and you could win, free shipping, free coupons, 20% off, and whatnot. And then combine that with these Black Friday deals. And so far, I think OnePlus is doing a great job with the Black Friday promotions. Get it started off early. Get ahead of the competition. I noticed, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it's been out of stock, back ordered. The Pixel out of stock, back ordered. But like I said, the OnePlus 9 Pro, it's a great phone. And if you guys are going to be able to get that extra $100 of trade-in value, plus coupons, plus these savings for Black Friday, you guys might want to go ahead and take a chance on it. So right now, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll do a first impressions of the OnePlus Buds Pro, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys take care. Peace.